Florida Gators ready to welcome their new head football coach, Jim McElwain, today, meeting with the Colorado State team one last time before packing for Gainesville. The University of Florida acting quickly to fill Will Muschamp's post just 5 days after his last game against FSU.
What makes us rise? Why do we raise our voices as one? When did you learn the salute? Right over left, arms locked at the elbows, till it burned in our joints and in our hearts. Each one of us remembers when we felt it the first time, when you looked up and down those bleachers and saw 90,000 saluting alongside you. When you first saw a Gator.
Some people dream of success, while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible.
On fourth downs, snap to Greer. Greer looking, throws the ball, got a receiver. There's a catch made on the near sideline. On the right side, 35-30. It'll be Callaway down the sideline. He's going to score.
You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it!
Second and 3, the ball is out. Florida's got it. First and 10. They fake the toss on a bootleg. Greer fires.
Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.